we're going to put an oven mitt here, so we can lay this pretty much flat there. And we're going to take our tomatoes that we had cut up and we froze solid, and because they had some bad spots on there, but they were still good, what I did is I sliced them up like so, and then put them on parchment paper. If you're ever wondering, I never use wax paper simply because I don't want to have to remember two things, so I only use parchment paper for everything, cooking, freezing. But that's what it's going to look like when it comes out and it's all frozen. And I would think that they probably would keep for years that way. We'll have to do a video in a year from now and see how they're doing. But yeah, so you put your oven mitt in there and that brings it up so it doesn't all fall in there. And then after you close your lid, as it starts to suck down, you can actually spread them apart a little bit so that they're not touching. Just like that. Then after you've done a couple, you can actually use the tomatoes themselves, or the suck down item. Come on, hurry up. Lay it there. Where's the other one? Well, wherever it went. And then you can just use that to level off your area. Or you can put a cutting board down, but you don't want to come in at an angle because all your stuff will slide to the bottom and you want it nice and flat and spread apart like that. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and click on the link below, grab yourself a coffee mug from around the house to support our videos. And there's other links on there to my Amazon store, bunch of goodies there. And I will always, the link that you click on will be the cheapest I have found on the internet for that item that I could possibly find, because, you know, times are tough and we need to save every dollar we can. All right, well, thank you for watching, and get yourself a cup. Check out my my Amazon store, and we will see you around the house. And if you like what you see, please click like and subscribe, or follow if you're watching on Rumble, and check out our many affiliate links below, including our Amazon page for around the house. So go make a purchase and we'll keep making videos for you. All right, we'll see you around the house.